Oh, there he is. I see him now.
Yeah, see?
Better run away then.
Oh, we going
Run
down?
away. Since when do you run away?
I don't have a gun. Unless you can take him down.
I've got one, but you keep moving.
Yeah. My sentiments exactly.
Alright, I'll stop.
I freaking hate it. Like, line him up and...
There you go.
Okay,
Get him! Get him!
Who am I getting?
I don't know, you said stay still.
Oh, you're an idiot.
Yeah, there he is. Stay still, stay still. Oh, no, up a bit, left, right.
Oh, there he
Hey,
is.
here he comes. Now, flank round, wrong side. That's Jeff's side,
Yeah.
not my side.
Can you both shoot if he's right in front of me? Like his...
Yeah, I've got eyes if you hold it still. Look at that, vehicle hit, vehicle hit.
Camper. Looking at this bridge here.
Better get him.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm trying to.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Good work, Tiffin. Hey, do you get a kill assist for that,
Oh.
I got nothing at all.
No one
Steve?
knows me. I'm just a red-handed stepchild here.
There's a guy back there. He kept moving again. On the steps.
Vehicle hit.
Jet ski right in front of us.
Jet ski, yeah. Got him.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
You're gonna stop the missiles coming at us.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, on the bridge.
Yeah, I can't take that out.
Oh, I can't even. I gotta drop some C4 on it. I can get above the tank or drop some C4 on it.
Yeah.
Oh, this is great. We have an engineer in here.
Tank right below us.
That is
Right. Where is it? Oh, yeah.
Oh shit.
I can't. Hang on.
They shot us.
That's another way to take out the tank.
Oh.
Hey.
Hey.
Take that, Maru. You need a kit, this one.
Yeah, mate.
Your med kit.
Oh.
Hey, Pippin, what did you do? Did you freaking bail out of the chopper?
No?
No. How am I flying it?
There was some random flying it.
I spawned, and all of a sudden I'm flying the chopper.
He must have bailed. Wow, you saved me. Uh-oh.
Sorry. It's not how I meant to fly. I wasn't expecting to be flying.
Coming, is that our tank? No,
Yeah.
I'm not spawning on you, Ben. Bloody hell.
I got a chopper.
You sure do.
I got a chopper.
You're a chopper.
I got a chopper.
Alright, there's a chopper ahead.
Yeah. Oh yes, good boy, you flared. Loser.
Where are you boys? You boys dead?
Oh yeah, LA, see you later.
Oh, you're dead to me.
Under the bridge.
Oh my god, we're getting smacked, eh? Me under the bridge. Oh.
How have we lost everything?
Yeah, I don't know.
Not
Yeah,
on my
good.
fault.
Oh, we have to be like
Yeah, I think
on
it
the
was,
roof.
Ben.
Hope no one's got RPGs.
Yeah, I'm hearing ya.
Oh, I'm dead.
This is a perfect hiding spot.
It is actually. Someone just comes around a corner, there's a fucking chopper sitting on the glass roof. Come on, hurry up.
There we
Good to
go.
go.
You boys are still dead to me.
Oh, there was someone behind us, was there?
Where are you?
Who?
We're at
You
Charlie
boys.
in a chopper.
Oh, you're on a chopper. Still
Yeah.
you're dead to me. No,
Hey, go up, go up,
TC.
go up. I want to check the roof.
Yep, that roof there.
Yeah, you just...
Is there? Where? Oh, yeah, there. God, you fucking got like 4 eyes. Did you get him?
There was like 5 guys there.
Looks,
No-
oh, no,
another
there
one?
he is.
He's almost
Oh,
dead.
I'm out of fucking ammo.
Ah! Yeah.
Yes. Oh, there's another one.
Two more.
Squad wipe, bitches.
Chopper's up.
The chopper's up. Where?
Oh, dry root me.
Hey, Friday! Welcome back, buddy. That felt good.
Welcome back what?
Alright, welcome back to my
Oh,
RPG.
good flare. He flared. Yeah.
Oh, I can
Oh,
see
we got someone behind us.
Yeah,
Chopper behind us,
Yeah.
dude.
only a
I'm
transport.
gonna try and hit him for you.
Where is he? Are you heading towards him? What are you doing?
The tank there.
Yeah, where is he? Oh, there he is.
Sorry, I'm out of ammo.
You know when you're in a car,
That guy.
you
Get
think
that
you're
guy.
gonna go a certain way, and then someone like
Yeah, they
someone
go.
drives, yeah, and you go ugh, and you vomit. Oh, where's that coming from?
Don't hit the
Vomit
building.
or vomit?
Don't hit the building. Fuck.
Where's it coming from?
I have no idea. Just
Alright,
go hide.
Get up. Yep. Oh, go. Yeah,
Yeah.
too good.
Welcome back. Welcome back.
Sorry, I'm telling you how to fly a chopper, but I don't know.
Mate,
Just talk.
I just won the chopper mission. I think I know how to fly.
Oh, that
You
is
shut the fuck
beautiful.
up. Oh, where's that?
Where is this?
That was over near Echo somewhere. That direction.
Where am I? Up here.
Get- And the boys are saying, oh, there's a lad on the.
That all. I didn't.
Just go,
Oh.
go, get the hell out.
Up at Charlie.
Charlie?
You.
Yep.
Wait there, Rooney.
Oh, we can probably get these people in Echo.
Oh, there's heaps down here.
Swing
Yeah.
around.
Yeah. Tell me if you're going to swing right or left, eh?
I'll just sit right here.
I'll bring a
Take them
takedown to Echo. I feel like I'm part of it.
Left.
Man, seriously, you retard. Why are you trying to crash me?
Ooh, there's an LAV in the water.
Where? Seen. Oh, which way are you going? Right.
Sorry.
There it is.
Oh, you moron.
I'll go right.
Bloody thing. Yep. Oh, you're going right. So I went my other right.
Is this building falling down? Yeah, it's on down. Fuck. What?
We're gonna group up, Frodo. Where are you, mate?
He's down.
I
He's
need
D8.
D. D. I mean D.
Oh, I see ya. Okay.
Land on the road to D. Come here.
Go back this
I'm
way.
Behind you.
Right there.
Alright, I'm in the other helicopter.
A lot of dudes this way. Come here, come here.
Oh, look at
Okay.
that.
Okay.
That
Oh.
looks fantastic.
Front row seats.
Guys that way.
Oh
Ooh.
god, they gave me a.
Hello.
Turn right, turn right. Turn right.
Whoa!
Oh, doesn't
Yeah,
matter,
my God.
kill it.
Everything went black.
Oh no! Died. Get to your rolls. Get to.
Rooftop, rooftop. Swing right again.
Are you dead, Philip?
Yeah, I'm dead, mate.
Oh, tits. Let's spoil you. Actually, bad
Oh,
idea. Bad
how
idea.
has that not killed him? Oh, there's a heap of them.
Bad idea, bad idea.
Oh,
And
shit.
that,
Squirrel, get out of it!
Being an asshole.
No, you play through. No, you play.
Left.
Oh, spawn beacon down there. Alright, one on the roof. Need a sign.
What the hell is this? Oh, run straight into him.
I think they're probably gone now.
Take a dig. We're going back up.
Charlie. There's a Charlie. Alright. There's a lav. I just seen a lav. Oh, it's red.
Whoa, tank. Oh.
Tank. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Go up. That's it. Nice, nice. Oh, where's that from? Move up, go up, go up, go up. Up, up,
Yeah,
up.
our squad mate's dominating, eh?
Rise.
Go with look. Philip Seymour.
Yeah.
See if we can find this dude. It's a bit foggy out here.
Rooftop.
Another, yeah, seen. Okay, there's a chopper straight ahead. Transport. If you can. Oh,
Whoops.
shit. Rotor's offline.
Flipped the roof
You
there.
guys,
Are we gonna get it back?
very
You got it?
antisocial.
Yeah.
When would I have
Spawn beacon. Oh no, it's a bloody mortar. There's, was it? It's. Got it?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh shit.
What are you doing?
Oh,
oh,
that looks really cool.
Oh, he shot me out.
get out of here! What?
He shot
oh,
me
you
out of
fucking
it.
Who shot you out of it?
Tank.
Oh.
By,
I was
by
like
shot,
sitting there by myself for a second. I was like, Kev?
by shot him out, I think he means I read the writing on the wall and jumped.
Yeah. Oh, 10 heli kills. Hello.
Have a go at that.
Have a go at that. What's the minimum? What's the ribbon for the heli kills?
15.
Ah, fuck it.
G2, what's up?
look at my score? 17. 30 to 17.
Holy shit.
What is going on?
Yeah, right
That's
on,
got to
mate.
be the best I've ever played. No, it's not, because I got a ribbon once,
Should
which was on Metro with a LMG.